Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. My dear friends, IPCA Laboratories is conducting walk-in interviews for their formulation unit. So here you can see the vacancies: production department, engineering, quality control, quality assurance, packaging, and stores department. Coming to the qualification, they are looking for B.pharm, BE or B.tech candidate, BSC, as well as MSc candidates. Also, you can check the details department wise. So all are mentioned here. Take a screenshot of this regarding the qualification, experience required for each of the positions. So candidates having regulatory exposure to USFDA or MHRA will be preferred for this plan. So here you can see the date of interview is 10th June, Saturday, 10 a.m. onwards at the venue, Hotel Woodland, National Highway number 8, near Tejpal Motors, Vapi, Gujarat. So you can contact the following person, Tejai. So the number is mentioned here. You can WhatsApp them, or also you can contact via email ID. So these are the details regarding the vacancy, my dear friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with more job updates like this.